Have you ever noticed how some women just look effortlessly perfect? Their faces seem sculpted, symmetrical, glowing, like every angle is their best angle. Here's the truth. It's not always genetics. The secret to those picture-perfect faces lies in something simple. Something you can start doing today. Facial massage. Yes, it's that underrated. Hello Dreamies, welcome back to my channel. The go-to place for all things related to beauty and skincare. Today, I'm sharing the exact routine that many women with beautifully balanced faces follow, and I'll guide you step by step. So grab your favorite oil or serum, because this is a follow-along video. Facial harmony is not about chasing perfection. It's about balance. When your features are aligned, puffiness is under control, and your skin has tone, you automatically look more radiant, awake, and youthful. But there's more to it than applying skincare and hoping for the best. What throws off facial harmony? Puffy under eyes, bloated cheeks, water retention, poor lymphatic drainage, and even sleeping on one side of the face every night. Yes, your habits can shape your face over time. But here's the truth, with the right technique, you can sculpt your face naturally. And all you need is your favorite facial oil or serum. Go grab it, because we're about to do a follow-along massage together. Let's begin. Warm your oil or serum between your palms. Gently press it into your skin. No tugging, just soft pressing. We'll start with the jawline. Using your knuckles, glide from the chin to just below your ear, gently but firmly. This helps define the jaw and drains toxins. Repeat it 6 times on each side. Now the cheeks. Use your fingertips to sweep from the sides of your nose to your temples. This reduces cheek puffiness and improves circulation. Repeat this motion 6 times. Let's move to under eyes, the most delicate area. Use your ring fingers and move from the inner corner outwards, almost like you're ironing away puffiness. Forehead time. Sweep from the center to the temples. This smooths expression lines and lifts the brows. Don't forget your neck. Lymphatic drainage starts here. Gently stroke downward along the sides of your neck. This helps move all the toxins out of your face. You can do this massage 3 to 4 times a week. And consistency is key. Over time, your face will look less puffy, more lifted, and more symmetrical. Before you add this to your routine, let's talk about a few things that can make or break your results. If you sleep on one side every night, you might notice your face becoming slightly uneven. The constant pressure can lead to asymmetry over time. Try to sleep on your back, or at least switch sides. If your skin feels puffy and dull, chances are you're not drinking enough water. Hydration helps flush toxins and keeps your skin looking fresh and toned. Being too aggressive during massage can stretch your skin rather than tone it. Always use light, gliding motions, never pull or drag. And remember, not every oil works for every face. Avoid comedogenic oils that clog your pores and worsen inflammation. Always patch test before applying something new. Consistency is everything. Doing this once won't change your face overnight, but adding it to your weekly self-care routine will. You can also support your results by using cold tools like gua sha or jade rollers. These help with blood circulation and reduce swelling, especially in the morning. And finally, watch your salt intake. A high-sodium diet causes water retention, which leads to facial bloating. Your face isn't just skin. It's muscle, memory, habit, and emotion. When you treat it with care, it shows. This routine doesn't need fancy tools or expensive treatments. Just your hands, some oil, and intention. So give your face a little love today, and try this massage for 7 days. Then come back and tell me what changed for you, because I know you'll feel the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And share this with someone who needs a little face reset. Let your face feel the difference, one gentle massage at a time. Bye-bye.